To truly grasp the essence of quantum mind reset, we must first understand the quantum nature of our minds. So, according to quantum theorists, our consciousness isn't confined to, classical boundaries, but is entangled with the intricate dance of subatomic particles. So this means that as we delve into the depths of meditation and meditative practices, we're not merely calming our thoughts, okay? We are tapping into the very fabric of the quantum reality that underlies our existence. So meditation is very often, it is associated with, stress relief, anxiety relief, that Zen, finding that inner calm. But see, quantum mind reset takes it far beyond this. It is a conscious choice to reset. See, not just the, stress response, but the very patterns of our thought that dictate our reality. So by consciously engaging with our neural pathways, we begin the process of rewiring the brain, sculpting it into a vessel of higher consciousness. So here's where it gets really fascinating. Quantum jumping. Imagine a reality where the choices we make in meditation aren't just, reflections of our inner state, but actual navigation through quantum timelines. In deep meditation, see, we consciously transverse alternate timelines, shaping our reality in profound and unexpected ways. So I think it's important that we talk about the chakras. Those are ancient energy centers, if you haven't already found this out. Beyond mere balancing, a quantum mind reset involves a mastery of chakra resonance. See, mathematicians and quantum physicists, their work proposes that these energy centers are not just, within us, they are intricate components of the universal energetic web. So advanced meditation, it allows us to, consciously attune and amplify these vibrations of each chakra. See, when we're able to use the frequencies and vibrations that make up us, this can take us so far beyond the, basic conventional benefits of, relaxation, stress reduction, and we will delve into a profound alignment of the energetic self. See, this will allow us to consciously engage with the manifestation process, and from there, we're not just passive observers. We are an active participant. We will literally shape the fabric of our reality. So when we talk about conscious manifestation, it's not about wishing and hoping for a better life. It's about intentions. It's about truly creating the life we desire and moving in to our desired reality, understanding the quantum mechanics of intentions. In a quantum mind reset, we switch from being the, passive observer of reality to, consciously creating this and being an active participant. Because I've said this so many times, manifestation is a process that which we go through and we are going through at every moment. It is up to us to literally take the reins and become the masters of our reality through conscious manifestation. So as we delve in deeper into meditative practices, we learn that, we're not just calming the mind. We're not just reducing stress. We are taking part in the creation of the quantum field. It is the very essence. It is the divine blueprint. In meditation, see, we transmute mental lead into spiritual gold. So this is the key to profound metamorphosis. Even Leonardo da Vinci, a true Renaissance mind, he left us a code in his Vitruvian Man, the ratio of 1.26. Now, if you'd paid attention to any of Robert Edward Grant's work, he unveils the mathematics behind the Vitruvian Man and our harmonious, life code. So as we meditate, we are truly attuning to this cosmic ratio, aligning ourselves with the cosmic dance of creation. So through advanced meditative practices, we absorb the sacred geometry of existence, transcending limitations and opening doors to heightened awareness. Our minds truly become explorers of quantum horizons, and we can shape our reality beyond the boundaries of classical thought. In the quantum mind reset, we not only reset our individual minds, but contribute to the harmonious evolution of the collective human consciousness. It's an expedition into the heart of existence, it is guided by the wisdom of vibration and frequencies. So before we talk about the metamorphic field, I have a guided meditation. It's absolutely free in the description. I'll pin it to the comments. Grab it. Tell me what you think in the comments. Now, the metamorphic field. The metamorphic field is opened through avenues of meditation. These fields shape the patterns of forms and behaviors in our universe. So meditation in an advanced level, which to me an advanced level of meditation is merely when we truly can become one and centered for a period of time and not be swayed. And through this oneness, through this neutral space, this is where we have access to, perform ancestral healing, to manifest, to set true intentions that, what we will do is we will embody these vibrations at a core subconscious level. And the universe, the reality that we exist in, this 3D realm, which is real, it is only one dimension of many dimensions. And when we can tap in and become aware, this is how we truly move to alternate dimensions. 4D, 5D, which is truly the awareness, that centered space. So a lot of people online will talk about the new earth, elevating to 5D consciousness. What this is not as unobtainable as you may think. It's literally an awareness. Once we can hold that space in meditation, that is 5-dimensional awareness. And from there, so many magical things can happen with our lives. But also, I think it's important to note that this 3D reality is also just another dimension where things do happen. So, for example, in 5D, death is not real. But in 3D, death is very much a real thing. So when we transcend through different types of awareness, we do elevate our consciousness to alternate dimensions. And I'll get into that later. If you'd like me to do a video on that, drop in the comments, I'll get into it. So it's important to know that the shift happening on Earth and in the cosmos has always been written. So when we consciously, interact with these fields, we raise our vibration to higher levels of consciousness. This, in turn, this is what allows us to tap in that infinite reserve of knowledge, our higher self, our spirit guides, ancestral guides. And I think a lot of spiritual coaches, in the community, they try to dissuade you from thinking that all of the bad should be done away with, and you should elevate to that of love and that of a higher consciousness and just do away with all the negativity and bad. But that's not how it works. We have to learn to integrate. Everybody's path is different. When you can go into a meditative state and raise your awareness to a 5-dimensional awareness, you have access. And through this access, this is where we begin to integrate. Very key word, integration. Not do away with, not completely, erase. That's not what we want to do, because that's not our nature of existence. Because to truly influence our reality, it's important that we integrate yin and yang. Very important to realize that. And if you have heard anything about the Hermetics and the Hermetic principles, it's important that we note these vibrations and we integrate them so that we become a fluent vibration. By denying or try to stay away from something, that would be the resistance that keeps us from being who we truly are. This is exactly why I've created the meditations that I've created. They're designed to help us get into that centered state. And many of the meditations I have elevate you past that so that we can tap in to a greater, higher level of consciousness, other dimensions. So if you haven't grabbed it, right there in the description. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video, my friend.